What's up, everyone? Today we're going on a journey to unlock the secrets of looking and feeling like a true legend. We're talking about those essential grooming hacks that every man needs to know. Whether you're a rugged outdoorsman or a city slicker, mastering these tips will have you looking sharp and feeling confident in any arena. Let's dive in and unleash your inner god. A well-maintained beard is like a statement piece, gents. It's a symbol of strength, wisdom, and just a touch of wildness. But just like Thor's hammer, it needs the right care to truly shine. Regular trims are key to keeping your beard in check and preventing those dreaded split ends. Find a good barber or learn to do it yourself. Trust me, it's worth the effort. Remember, a well-groomed beard can accentuate your jawline and make you look even more powerful. Now, let's talk about the #1 weapon in your grooming arsenal, the razor. Don't settle for those flimsy plastic ones, guys. Invest in a high-quality razor that will give you a close, comfortable shave without irritation. A good razor is like a trusty steed. It'll carry you through thick and thin, leaving your skin smooth and ready for action. Remember, a clean shave can make you look younger, more energized, and ready to conquer the day. Just like the deserts of Australia need rain, your skin craves moisture, fellas. Daily moisturizing is crucial for keeping your skin hydrated, healthy, and looking its best. Find a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it every day after washing your face. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. A good moisturizer will protect your skin from the elements, prevent dryness and wrinkles, and keep you looking fresh-faced. Now let's not forget about those hands, gents. Keeping your nails clean and trimmed is a small detail that can make a world of difference. Imagine shaking someone's hand with dirty or overgrown nails. Not a good look, right? Take a few minutes each week to trim your nails and clean under them. It's a simple habit that shows you pay attention to the details and take pride in your appearance. Now let's talk about that hair of yours. Just like Thor's flowing locks, your hair deserves the best care. Finding the right hair product can make all the difference in taming those flyaways and achieving the hairstyle you desire. Experiment with different products to find what works best for your hair type, whether it's pomade for a sleek look, wax for a textured style, or gel for a strong hold. Remember, a good hair day can boost your confidence and make you feel unstoppable. Fellas, your skin is your armor protecting you from the world. It's time to give it the royal treatment it deserves. A simple skincare routine can work wonders in maintaining healthy, youthful-looking skin. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and impurities, followed by a toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Next, apply a serum targeted to your specific skin concerns, whether it's anti-aging, acne prevention, or hydration. Finally, lock in all that goodness with a moisturizer. Even gods need protection from the sun, and so do you. The sun's harmful UV rays can damage your skin, leading to premature aging, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. Make it a habit to apply sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and apply it generously to all exposed skin. Remember, protecting your skin today is an investment in your future. Now, let's venture into the realm of body hair. How you choose to manage it is a personal preference, but let's explore some options. If you prefer a clean-shaven look, regular shaving or waxing can keep things under control. For those who prefer a more natural look, trimming is a great way to keep things tidy. And hey, if you're rocking a full chest of hair, own it with pride. The key is to find what makes you feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. Fellas, a signature scent is like an invisible aura that surrounds you, leaving a lasting impression. Finding a fragrance that complements your personality can boost your confidence and make you feel unstoppable. Experiment with different scents until you find one that resonates with you. Remember, a little fragrance goes a long way, so don't overdo it. A subtle, alluring scent is all you need to leave a memorable mark. Fellas, let's not forget about those lips. Dry, chapped lips are not a good look on anyone. Keep your lips hydrated and kissable with a good quality lip balm. Look for one with SPF protection, especially during the harsher months. A swipe of lip balm can make a world of difference, keeping your lips soft, supple, and ready for action. Fellas, your clothes are your armor, your statement to the world. Just like Thor's Asgardian attire, your wardrobe should reflect your strength, confidence, and style. Take the time to iron out those wrinkles, mend any loose buttons, and ensure your clothes fit you impeccably. A well-dressed man commands attention and respect. Remember, it's not about expensive brands, but about taking pride in your appearance and presenting your best self. Fellas, just like a well-maintained beard, your hair needs regular trims to stay in top shape. Regular haircuts not only keep your hair looking its best, but also promote healthy hair growth. Find a barber or stylist you trust and schedule regular appointments. Whether you prefer a classic cut or something more modern, a fresh haircut can make you look and feel like a new man. Gentlemen, those eyes are the windows to your soul, so let's make sure they're looking their best. The skin around your eyes is delicate and prone to puffiness, dark circles, and wrinkles. Using a good quality eye cream can help combat these issues, keeping your eyes looking bright, youthful, and full of life. Apply it gently with your ring finger, patting it into the skin until it's fully absorbed. Fellas, just like Thor's hammer needs to be polished to maintain its shine, your skin needs regular exfoliation to remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter, healthier complexion. Use a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant once or twice a week, depending on your skin type. Exfoliation helps prevent ingrown hairs, reduces the appearance of pores, and allows your skincare products to penetrate deeper for maximum effectiveness. Fellas, we've talked about hydrating your skin, but let's not forget about hydrating your entire body. Drinking enough water is crucial for overall health and well-being, and it shows on the outside too. Water flushes out toxins, keeps your skin looking plump and youthful, and helps regulate body temperature. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Fellas, your posture speaks volumes about your confidence and presence. Standing tall with your shoulders back and your head held high projects an image of strength, authority, and self-assurance. Good posture not only makes you look more attractive, but also improves your breathing, reduces back pain, and boosts your mood. So stand tall, gents, and own your space. Fellas, even gods need their rest. Getting enough sleep is crucial for your physical and mental health, and it shows on your face. When you're sleep deprived, you're more likely to have dark circles, puffy eyes, and dull skin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. Trust me, a good night's sleep is like a mini makeover. Gents, you are what you eat, and that applies to your appearance too. A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can lead to inflammation, breakouts, and dull skin. So fuel your body with the good stuff and watch your skin, hair, and overall appearance transform. Fellas, we all know exercise is good for our bodies, but did you know it's also a secret weapon for looking and feeling your best? Regular exercise increases blood flow, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to your skin, giving you a healthy glow. It also helps reduce stress, which can wreak havoc on your skin. So get moving, gents, whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or playing a sport you love. Fellas, let's talk about the foundation of a great look: your shoes. Your shoes can make or break an outfit, so it's important to choose wisely. Invest in quality footwear that's both stylish and comfortable. And remember, keep them clean. A scuffed-up pair of shoes can ruin even the most put-together outfit. So pay attention to your footwear, gents, and step out in style. So there you have it, gents. 20 essential grooming hacks to unleash your inner god. Remember, taking care of your appearance is not about vanity, but about self-respect, confidence, and putting your best foot forward. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you'll not only look your best, but also feel your best. Now go out there and conquer the world, gents. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your feedback in the comments below. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Thanks for watching.